that Neeraj will also be a witness. And that's a breaking news update that we are getting. Breaking news update that Sushant's cook Neeraj is under CBI watch in Delhi. Republic has also tracked down Neeraj. Couple of days back, his uncle spoke to Republic TV. We played out the entire sequence. But now I have breaking news now that Neeraj could also turn witness in the case. The case is moving very, very fast after the AIIMS report was submitted to the CBI. Getting in breaking news now that Neeraj is also in Delhi. I'll try and get Anuj live as well on the story. Anuj live on the story as well. Anuj also managed to track down Neeraj. And Neeraj has confirmed to Republic that he's in Delhi. 2 days back when we put out the report, we told you that Neeraj, the cook, Sushant's cook who was in the house, he was in Delhi. And his family also told Republic that he was working for Farhan Akhtar. That's what they claimed, that he was working for Farhan Akhtar. But he's gone to Delhi for a month. And that he was in Delhi. And speaking to Republic, we have a confirmation now. Neeraj telling Anuj of Republic TV that he is in Delhi and it's going to be critical now what happens in the case. If Neeraj is also going to be examined by the CBI and his statement is also going to be recorded under section 164, it becomes critical. So Pitani and Neeraj now. Two breaking news updates. Pitani is in Delhi, or rather could be called to Delhi. Either is in Delhi or could be called to Delhi, but Neeraj is already in Delhi. Story is moving very, very fast. Pitani after Neeraj. Two big updates. Let me go across to Anuj. Anuj tracked down Neeraj. What did he tell you, Anuj? What did Neeraj tell you? We'll play out that conversation in a few seconds, but what did he tell you?
Well, Niranjan, this is very much confirmed now that Neeraj is in Delhi, and he confirmed the same to Republic Media Network that he is there in Delhi. But the most important thing will be that Neeraj's statement will be recorded under 164. And this is going to be very, very important because we have to keep in mind, if we are talking about Neeraj, the cook, and if we are talking about Siddharth Pitani, then these are the people, these are the two persons who were very much there on 13th also and on 14th also when Sushant Singh Rajput lost his life. And after that, we also have to keep in mind that the kind of investigation what we have seen when CBI was investigating all the people whosoever is connected with Sushant Singh Rajput's murder case, then we have seen that how continuously, being it Neeraj, being it Siddharth Pitani, they were called to DRDO guest house where the CBI officials was stationed. So this is going to be very, very important. Their testimony is going to be very, very important, that what exactly has happened, because we do understand, if we talk about the latest statement of CBI, where they have made it very much clear that they are not overruling the murder angle. They are continuously on with the investigation. So this is going to be the second round, we can say, of the investigation of the CBI.
Anuj,
yes,
Anuj, I have to take a short break now. You stay with me. We're coming back. Two bits of breaking news update this Thursday morning. Breaking news update one. Siddharth Pitani may record a statement under section 164, turning a witness. Second breaking news update, Neeraj confirms to Republic TV that he is also in Delhi. He's in the CBI net. He has not confirmed that he's in the CBI net, but he's in Delhi. He has confirmed that to Republic TV. He could also record a statement under section 164. Two witnesses in the case. What's going on? Taking a short break. Stay tuned.